Have you ever heard of a mini washing machine? No. Then let me introduce you to the Whirl Wash. We made this machine for people who are tired of going to the laundromat, which is why it's perfect for things like travel, college, or small apartments. So basically, it gives you the opportunity to wash clothes wherever you are in less than 15 minutes. You simply just add some water and press a few buttons, and it will automatically wash your clothes. Remove the water and add the separated basket and... oh, did I mention that it can dry it too? Check my bio.